Hello students, a very good morning, good afternoon. Today we learn to new topic. The topic name is our need for water. बच्चों, आज मैं सिर्फ लेसन का रीडिंग करूँगा। मैं लेसन को पढ़ूँगा। आप लोग अच्छे से उस लेसन को सुनना है और उसको बाद में रिपीट करना है. So today we are learn to how to read the lesson and how to develop our reading communication. So start. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सब लोग सुनेंगे, ध्यान से सुनेंगे, अपने टेक्स्ट बुक में ध्यान देंगे. लेसन का रीडिंग आपको करना आना चाहिए. Isn't it? So now start. Can you tell? This happens, doesn't it? Sometimes tears flow from our eyes. Our mouth waters when we see a tamarind pound. Our nose runs when we have a cold. When we get a cut, it bleeds. What does this tell us? Tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow, they contain water. Try this. Do this under adult supervision. Take a small pieces of cucumber, grate it. Squeeze it hard. Take a slice of lemon, squeeze it hard too. What do you see? Juice flows out of the grated cucumber and the lemon slice. What does it tell us? There is water in cucumber and a lemon. Why do you feel thirsty? We need water of our body has to function properly. Water keeps our blood thin. Water helps to digest our food. Unwanted substance leave our body through urine. We must have enough water in our body at all times. When there is a lack of water in our body, we get thirsty. Like us, other living things to need water. Next page. Can you tell which animal are drinking water at the river bank? Who is playing in the river? Some people are carrying water home. What will they use it for? A public sources of water. In many villages, cows, buffaloes and goats come to the river or pond to drink water. Grass and other bushes can be seen growing near the water hole. Animals bathe themselves in it. Birds like the laughing kingfisher and egret can also be seen around the water sources. People from the village wash their clothes in it. They carry water to use at home. What is the solution? The water in the public sources has to be kept clean. Now next page. Do you know? People who keep animals provide drinking water them without fail. We know that these animals to get thirsty, but there are thousands of other animals we do not realize that they too need water. Ant, honeybee, crab, scorpion. Ants, honeybees, crabs, scorpions and all other animals need water. Can you tell? Why do we go near a water hole in a jungle to see wild animal? Wild animal also need water. They come to a water hole in the forest, then they are thirsty. So people to go there in order to sight the wild animal. Now next page students. The importance of water. The importance of water. People need water not only for drinking but also for cooking and cleaning. We need water for agriculture and industries as well. Water is very important in our lives. Now next, take two pot plant of equal growth. Label them as first and second. See the first pot and second pot. Every morning for the next 5 days, water only plant 1. Do not water plant 2. What do you see? Plant 2, which was not watered, slowly drips up. Plant 1 looks fresh and green. What does this tell us? Plants need water to live. We water our potted plants. Farmers water the crops in their fields. Cool these plants in live without water. Thus, we see that plant like animal need water. Use brain power. The trees in the forest also need water to grow. From where do they get the water they need? Now, next page students. Rainwater seeps into the soil. Roots of plants spread deep into the soil. These roots absorb the water that has spilled into the soil. Do you know? Some plants like bulrushes grow only in water. We can try our best to grow them in soil, but they cannot survive there. The lotus, otter, chestnut and huntis are also plants that grow in water. Use your brain power. Why do we need to water a garden more often in summer? Why is water ponds and wells much reduced in summer? So students, what we have learned? Live things need water. There is a water in the bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We get thirsty when there is a lack of water in our body. Many villages have a common source of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops and for industries too. The roots of plants go deep into the soil and absorb water. Always remember, everyone should take care to keep the public source of water clean. It is each one's responsibility to do so. So thank you students, thank you so much. आप लोग भी इस लेसन का रीडिंग करना है, बी केयरफुली रीडिंग करना है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स.